Oh man, my phone is dead. Damn it. Now how am I gonna record videos, take photos, get on TikTok, Instagram, listen to music? Oh, I mean, I'm here to work, so I gotta be taking business calls, being available for my customers and my coworkers. Alright guys, so my phone is at 24%. I did not get to charge it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take that solar charger with us so I can charge my phone while I work. Now if I close this up so I can see, turn it on. You can see that it's 2 bars still, it's halfway. But you have to take into consideration that this is a 26,800 milliamp battery pack, so it's going to take more than a few hours of sunlight to charge. But being so big, I have charged my iPad and my phone with it the other day to test it out, and it charged very quickly, so it should be able to charge my phone while I work on this call. And it's still pretty portable for how huge the battery should be. So I'm going to try and stick it in my TPLC. I took out the flashlight because I had to charge it, so it should kind of fit on that side pocket. So we're going to take that, and I need the cord, which is hooked up to my CarPlay. I left it exposed so I could replace the cord or remove it if I need the charger, which I do today. And we're going to take this with us and get to this call. All right, so we have the unit here. I'm going to check the dryer, make sure that's not plugged up. Everything seems to be working. Maybe it's the TXV that's out of whack. So we're gonna check pressures. The fans are blowing air. I did have somebody come rinse them real quick, and I can actually see light through. So I don't think the coil's dirty, but maybe we have to use coil cleaner. And they're blowing air, the fans are blowing air, but we're getting stuck around 20, and I think they said our suction pressure was low. So I think we're losing pressure somewhere. And that's why I wanted to check this, but I know it's hard to see, guys, but I don't see a pressure drop here. And our compressor doesn't seem to be overheating right now. Damn it, who did this? Just trying to turn it off, and there's a disconnect, but there's nothing in there. So it's wired direct. God. So I'm gonna have to go inside to shut it off. All right, so I was trying to see if our hot gas bypass was bypassing or anything, but it looks like it's going to the coil. I don't get a reading coming out too much. I don't know if we have enough gas, so I haven't hooked up yet. I'm gonna hook up in a minute, but I just want to make sure that nothing's weird. Compressor is not showing anything abnormal. I mean, the line is sweating. All right, so I didn't get a shot of it, but that started icing up. Accumulator started icing up all the way back to the compressor. So I knew we were flooding. I ran down to close the expansion valve, adjust it, and all the ice went away. Our superheat went back up because I had about 0 superheat. And now my subcooling is low, so I think we're going to be undercharged because that is still flashing, the side glass. And now that the expansion valve is regulating a little better, it looks like we're a little bit low on charge. The temp is dropping. It was stuck at 15, 20, and now it's like 12, going under. But I want to make sure that we're topped off. Just to be clear, I did dump a little bit in because of the ice pattern we had, and then it just all flooded back. So that's why I thought to adjust the expansion valve before I kept topping it off. All Alright, so I shut it off while it was running. There's pressure on both sides. I did not find a leak with a leak detector. There's a lot of, you know, it's been touched a lot. This is kind of kinked. So no leaks. I don't know the history on this recently because I was told somebody did actually come out to check it before I did. So we're gonna cap those just in case. Then I saw this. Right now power's off, so we got exposed wires there. That should be going to our, it's our motor. So that's live voltage. So we'll do that, make sure everything else is, you know, safe. So we have to tidy up some of this. I put tape on the wire nuts now. And I had actually moved this wiring, or I don't know if I moved it. It from factory, it lays over the accumulator. And we had rub outs on the wiring, so went ahead and protected that. And then right now I'd added a little bit more because it might touch like that. And then I noticed the spring was busted on the crankcase heater. So I put it on the spring so that it's tight around the compressor, and then tidied up the wiring over here. So here we have the power bank itself. It is going to be a little bit beefy, but that's just because it's a crazy 26,800 milliamp battery in here. So you got that. You do have a light. This is Velcro. Would have been nice if it was a magnet. And then you unfold for not one, not two, not three, but 4 solar panels. So you can already see as soon as you open it, it starts charging by the LED indicator. So I don't know, guys, it's just kind of cool if you have a portable bank that you can just lay out on your windshield. That's what I'm going to do with it, and it's always going to be charged. It has a half battery life right now. I have not plugged it in to get the full battery because you can input a micro USB right there to charge it if you don't want to do it via the solar panel, but I haven't done that yet. I have not killed it either because it's massive, and I'm charging my tablets and iPhone with it. And then we have 2 outlets that are USB-A, so you can use any of your chargers that go there. It would have been nice if these maybe were all USB-C, but you know, it is what it is. And then the output is going to be 5 volt on 2 amp, which is a good charging speed for the most part. It charged my iPad super quick, and usually that takes forever with slow chargers. So this is a relatively quick charger, and it's a cool form factor. Like I said, throw it on your windshield and it'll be charged all the time. It's gonna be hard to kill this one. So if you guys want one for work or just for your trips, I'm a big battery bank person. I carry one everywhere with me. I have them in my backpack, in my travel bags. It's always good to have portable charging solutions. So here's the box. You're gonna get a cable to charge the unit itself if you want to do it wired. Comes with a cool little lanyard with a clip. And the charger itself. They were supposed to send me out one of each color, but they are out at the moment. So this is one of those survival type products to me. Like if you're going out on trips or anything, this is cool to have. And they give you a compass in the strap there. So kind of cool. Just a quick video on this. Definitely going to be using it. Like I said, it's going to be my work charger now. So I need something that can charge an iPad as well, or anything massive that normally takes forever to charge. This should be able to charge it relatively quick. All right, so it's been a couple of days. Let's turn it on. Bam, it got full charge just being in the windshield for a few days. I want to say it was less than a week, so 4 days maybe. And it went from half to full, so it does charge decently. So now I can either keep it on the windshield and forget about it, or store it away if I don't want to have it in the sun when it's charged, like fully. So pretty cool. All right guys, and if you're still watching, I really appreciate those who watch these videos. These are just bonus content videos when I get sent something or I find something that's kind of cool that I think you guys can use or I'm using on the daily. Like I said, this is gonna be my portable charger at work. It did fit in my back pocket, even though it is kind of chunky. I have a Dickies, work pants, and it fit in there. And then I wired it to my phone, and I had my phone in my other pocket, and it was charging at work. Got it up and going. Sometimes I forget to charge my phone, and I'm there with a dead phone. Thank you guys who put up with me on these extra videos. Does not deter or does not conflict with my regular service videos. Those are still getting put out every week, like normal. I'm just posting more now because I have things to review, whether it's tools, cool tech, anything like that. It's extra content, so I really appreciate you guys. It does have a light, so if you hold the power button, it turns on. Push it again, it dims. You get a strobe light and different things. So like I said, kind of cool. Thanks to them for sending that out, and I have other stuff that I'm gonna be going over soon. Anything you see on the channel gets thrown into the tool link down below if I've been using it, testing it, and it works good. I don't do videos for everything. Sometimes they ask me to do videos on like random stuff. I'm not gonna do videos like on Tupperware or kitchen stuff or anything random. It has to be work related or tech related, because like I've mentioned before in another video, I am a tech or a geek at heart. So a lot of this stuff is really cool to me. I used to fix electronics and stuff like that. So I do other things other than tools or big name tools and service calls. So this is one of them. I have a few other things that I might do soon. And then I have a bunch of tools to review, and I will get back to the training videos. So if you guys have any problems or issues with anything that you need help on, you can send those or suggest those in comments. I will get back to the training videos and like how to do certain things, breaking down parts and all that. Now that summer's coming into an end, because my summer was crazy busy. So just like all of you out there that are just slammed during the summer. So everything's all good. Hope you guys enjoyed. I am getting back from vacation now too, so I will see you guys, and remember to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff.